there is a difference inside the sensor. Um, the white plastic gear that's on the speed sensor, which is a helical cut. I think I said it right. It's different from the GST, so I have to get that one, but it's on back order. The connector is the same. Everything else is the same. Now, the reason why I did this, because obviously a GSX trans is a lot stronger than a GST. The gear ratio is better. You'll always be in your power band. Performance, there's no ending. You could do all kind of gear upgrades from jacks, heavy duty gears upgrades like second, third, Evo 3, shift forks. You could do like a whole bunch of stuff to the trans. So if I ever want to get freaky and invest into that, I have like a million one options versus the GST trans. I don't. So